Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can enable satellite message on your iPhone. Now, I don't know, it's not available in where I live. I think that's why it's not on the phone. It's either that or my phone isn't upgraded enough. I think it's enough, like it's upgraded enough, but I'm not sure why it's not available where I live. So I think it's just because it's not available. But what satellite does is that if you don't have signal, if you don't have Wi-Fi, you can enable satellite message on iPhone. So it's pretty helpful if you're out hiking, no signal, something's happened, and you need to contact somebody and you don't have signal. You can use satellite, but I guess they don't have this feature yet where I live, so hopefully soon they will. I don't got anyways, so I don't really care. This is also good if, I guess, there's like a natural disaster that has happened and there's like no signal, no connection. You can use the satellite message. Enough yapping, let's get to the tutorial. It's just basically here, if you kind of selected the right hand corner of your screen and you open everything here, like you press on this option, and there should be a satellite option under VPN. I don't have it again because it's not available, I think, in my country yet. But you're just going to see that there's going to be a satellite and you're just going to try the demo. You'll also see it on like your settings as well. It says messages via satellite. When Wi-Fi and cellular are not available, you can connect to a satellite to check for and send iMessages and text messages. You can use iMessage features like sending and receiving messages, emoji, and tapbacks. iMessage is available via satellite for recent conversations. So I think it works more if the other person has an iPhone. So that is it. When you connect to your satellite, there's going to basically be a demo. You do need to get a clear view of the sky as well, so you do kind of need to do that. And that is pretty much it, really. Unfortunately, I can't show you the demo because it's not available where I live, but it should be here. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.